Hello everyone, I'm Ben, and this video is an introduction of W.O.E.S. Now what does W.O.E.S stand for? It stands for Working on Them Shitboxes, or EM instead of the them. It works better with the name. The main reason I wanted to make this channel was to, chase and share my passion for cars. I currently have a 1990 Mazda Miata. Now I know that it might not look flashy or expensive, and it's definitely not fast. It's bone stock. But the whole idea of this channel is to show that anyone can afford to work and build cars on a budget if they have the right mindset. Now I know you might not believe this car could look any worse, but it was. Here's a picture of the car when I bought it a little less than a year ago. I bought the car for $2,200 running and driving, and over the months I put around $1,300 into it. And it runs and drives reliably. I've taken it an hour back and forth to my girlfriend's house. Nothing's perfect yet. There's still some suspension stuff I gotta redo and a whole bunch of other things. It's mostly going to be a drifting car. I'm going to an event this weekend that I'm really excited about. There's a drift day and a drag day. So I'm going to try and record that and get a video out for that. But if you're interested in the more DIY type of car content, feel free to drop a sub, like, and comment what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. And I'll try my best to get to them. I hope to see you here again soon. But for now, goodbye.